Little bit nippy outside, isn't it? What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Thomas, and today we are talking about the Palace 2024 holiday range. Basically going through the preview that Palace has just put out, and I'm going to talk about each and every item, my opinions on them, the best ones, the worst ones, and the funny descriptions that they leave for us. We got a lot of things to look at. Let's just get right into it. Before we get started with Palace, I want to remind you guys to please hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date every single time I post and go live. I go live every single Thursday for Supreme and every single Friday for Palace. Now this week is a little different because it is Black Friday. Supreme will be releasing this Friday, and I believe Palace will be also. I'm not entirely sure about that. But what I do know is that I am offering a Black Friday 2024 members only giveaway. So you have a couple more days to become a member of the channel. Prices start at just $2.99 per month. You get exclusive chat icons, loyalty badges. We're going to be updating a lot of these things soon, guys. So get in early. Let me tell you, it is more than worth it. But with all of that out of the way, even if you don't want to be the cool kid on the block with a cool badge next to your name, you can still stick around and we can still look at these Palace items together. All right, Palace skateboards.com holiday 2024 range, and bam, look at these items. A relatively small item range. Thank God we don't have so much time to look at an entire season's worth of stuff, but this is the drop list. So just to look at how much we can expect for Palace's remaining season, I went back to 2023 fall winter, and we can see they had drops all through December from the 1st to the 22nd. So we can expect at least through the end of December, right up until the Christmas holiday, we will be seeing drops until then. And on those Fridays, you know we're going to be going live. All right, starting from the bottom of the drop list and going up, we have the Palace TGF board in silver. Good for moosher flips. Holiday sticker pack, you gotta love it. I do love that Palace offers us so many opportunities to get stickers with these sticker packs. If you don't buy the sticker packs though, fuck you, and I guess there's really no good way of getting Palace stickers otherwise, and I probably need to start buying these damn sticker packs because I'm always complaining about no Palace stickers. P3 pin badge in blue and navy. Please stop buying this shit so we can stop making it. There it is, guys. End the video there. We got some more air fresheners. I still have my Palace air freshener from the beginning of this season or the beginning of last season, whatever it is. I think it was the fall season, the autumn 2024. But there it is. If you want the 3-pack, looks good, smells good. Got a nice bottle opener webbing key ring. Never been as big on Palace's accessories, but this season, there are a couple things. Calling this a season might be a bit too much also. More of like end of the year drop, post season. We're in the playoffs right now, guys. Playoffs for Christmas. Palace P cherub bauble in silver. I think that's a Christmas ornament. Palace angel with the P on it. I actually dig that quite a bit. Don't know if you knew this, guys, but I'm a big Christmas tree ornament guy. Yeah, we got the jump rope here, Everlast skipping rope. I just paid like $90 to cop the Supreme jump rope. So if this is under $60, maybe, but also the Supreme one's way cooler. I wish they chose a different Palace logo. I'm not the biggest fan of the Old Navy looking font. I'm not the biggest fan of their Tommy Hilfiger inspired logo with the red and the blue line with the Palace in the middle. Don't know what it is, but still pretty cool. And I recommend jumping rope for 3 minutes and see how you guys do. Trinket box red. Pointless shit makes the world go round. That's the point of my channel. We got the P ashtray for smoking your cigs, smoking your joints, whatever you want to do. People that come to London and say the food's shit need to get their P's up. We got a dog puffa in blue. 100% trendy dog shit, and maybe they're talking shit about Supreme here. This one does look a lot better. It looks warmer for your dogs for the winter time. I don't know. Non-Gore-Tex is nice too. I'm telling you guys, you gotta watch out for those PFAS chemicals. They stay in there forever. All right, the Palace TGF Tri Skull Ring. This is really dope, and I would love to get more rings. I'm not a huge ring guy, but I'd like to be, and this seems like a pretty cool way to do it. I wonder if this silver thing is like $300. Let me know, guys. What does Palace jewelry cost? I have no clue. We have the TGF Skull Cross ring. Oh, this one's a little too much for me, a little too scary. London used to be covered in a gray fog, apparently, or a great fog. Yes. This is something you would use in Castlevania to ward off the vampires or some shit. Alice old font ring. Definitely the least cool of the three. 100%. But it's 100% heavy metal too. TGF spider pendant. We got all kinds of silver pendants and rings. I really can't even think which one is the best, but it's not the first one for sure. P-Lux belt. Very luxurious. The golden buckle is very funny. This is giving me Marks and Spencer vibes than Lux. Okay, more Marks. I don't know who that is, but I'm sure he's a cool dude. P-Lux Lux card holder. If my wallet was still lost and I didn't get it recovered, then I might get this P Lux card holder. Maybe I should still get it because my Burberry wallet is torn to shit. I did get it recovered though. The lady that found it in the Indianapolis airport shipped it back to me. Shout out to her. And maybe instead of going to Burberry to get it fixed, I can just get this thing right here. But time will tell and price will tell. Key zip wallet, black watch. Brady went to a Diddy party. Don't tell anybody. Wore a sexting, mostly K Diddy. God damn. I was popping off with the description there, but zip wallet, nah fam. Nah. P-Lux shop bag. Here you go. Put this in a bag, throw it over your shoulders. I think this is something you wear around your neck and it dangles literally in front of you. It looks too small to throw it over your shoulder. So maybe this is more of like a neck type of bag. I don't freaking know. Teddy ear warmer, fox tip, 99.9% Palace stuff, 0.1% stuff. Appreciate it, Palace, for giving me a little love there with that description. Key 9 cuff beanie in racy green. I love that racy green colorway. 9 cuff beanie, meh, more of a chunky knit fan. TGF beanie. Thank God it's fucking Friday. TGFF? I don't know. There it is. 100% the great beanie. Polar Tech Reverso 9 cuff beanie, Palace blue. It's that 9 cuff stuff. Here you go. P-Link beanie in gray marl. 4:18 a.m. linked the pizza via the internet. The rest was history. Yeah, I spent 15 Bitcoin on a pizza in 2013. Look, you know about investments. Nice beanie. The Shirling beanie, caked brown. These descriptions are as dry as your mom's Christmas turkey. And don't even get me started on Thanksgiving. The Teddy beanie cow. Done all my Christmas shopping already. My credit card is maxed, mate. Please buy more Palace shit so I can unmax it. How it is sometimes. Love Palace fuzzy ears beanie in navy. Insomnia? Bro, come for dinner with me to this one steak place, then tell me you can't get to sleep. I mean, some sloppy steaks before bed would be the move. The 6 panel in pink. Rep Das. Simple as that. P hat. I'm eventually gonna get one of these 6 panels because I think 6 panels look the best on me, and I love a big old P on the top of your head. TGF trucker, 100% flames, bit of headwear. This one's definitely cool. It's got that gas station couture vibe to it. Trucker fashion, ironic fashion. I like it. But the next one, ooh, it's even better. And that's the Palace Outdoors 6 panel cow print. It says Palace Outdoors on it, and it's got palaceskateboards.com, a cow print, more of a great indoors kind of guy. Fair enough. Safe P New Era 5950 in Royal is next. What's right is right. Here we got the Gore-Tex Windstopper ear flap 5 panel in concrete gray. I think these hats look so weird, and I just want to feel the material on them because they look like Play-Doh. I kind of want to eat this hat. Just a little bit. The Palace Kangol for Gura in brown. All right, it's a fuzzy boonie bucket hat. The kangaroo on the front could be the best item to release this season. I have no clue. The Windstopper Puffa Trooper soft white stormtrooper looking fit is all I can say about that. The Reverso Fur Trooper in olive. 2 hats for the price of 1. And guys, we are gonna get through the hats and get onto the outerwear, the pants, etc. So just stick with me. I'm trying to go fast through these kind of boring items. Hey, but the laser Bali Tiger Digi Camo, this is the item we've been waiting for. If you haven't found a balaclava for you this season, then maybe it's not in the cards. That's kind of where I'm at this season. Do I even need one? I don't know. Maybe I need the Puff of Balaclava hood in navy. If you really don't have a hood for one of your jackets and you really need one, I guess you can buy one aftermarket from Palace. There it is. Here we go. The first t-shirt. Let's go. T-shirt. Yeah. The tri-slip t-shirt in stony gray. 100% cotton probably. And no other pictures of this boy. PC t-shirt in black. The C is banging in it. Not trying to go that deep. Also just down to look at it. I'm also sorry that we can't zoom in any closer. I wanted to keep the descriptions in and kind of maintain some symmetry in the site. So of course you guys can check out this whole range in the description down below. Follow along, etc. Not today, Satan. This shirt is really funny. Very goofy, very Palace. They don't take themselves too seriously. Kind of like old Supreme. Think new Supreme might be sniffing their own farts a little bit sometimes, but this one is very fun. And I don't really think I would wear it, but I really support the message. Hands-on t-shirt. What's happening here? I don't really know. We might have to zoom in just a wee bit. And I do apologize. We've been getting different colorways for each of these, and I just didn't even know that. Maybe that just started for t-shirts, but if it was going for other things, well, we've been keeping it moving, boys. We got Palaska right here. There's the different colors. Come on now. Please don't give me too much shit, guys, I swear. Very cool shirt, though. All right, the Palace Great Outdoors Equestrian t-shirt. Ooh, plenty of different colorways. You see, if I did this too early, you guys would probably be having an epileptic episode. Palace TGF long sleeve. I dig the spider and the sword. Very fantasy, very Dungeons and Dragons. I might have to cop this thing for my new D&D campaign. I don't know. Very cool though. Basically a thermal in forest print, also available in gray marl. Okay, we got the basically t-shirts. I'm not huge on these, but some people like them. They're very simple, and that's cool. More Great Outdoors stuff on a crew neck this time. Definitely one of those pieces that's gonna be featured on multiple different garments. If you like it, you can get the whole freaking set, baby. Polartec 200. You know it. Palace loves their warm winter clothing. The UK is very cold, apparently, but I heard it was also pretty warm this fall, which is weird, kind of scary. International quarter zip up. There it is. Palace International. Couple decent colorways. I think I like navy and light blue the most. Glow, try for a little glow in the dark action here. Excited for Christmas pudding to be extinct. Oh, wow. Pink glow in the dark is interesting. Same thing with orange. Wow. I dig this a lot. If people still think glow in the dark is cool, then there you go. Knock yourself out, baby. All right, the Palace Star hoodie in faint blue, gray marl. I don't really have to say the colorways. You guys can read yourself, but this is a pretty cool logo. Kind of has some Hellstar vibes to it, but for, 40% of the price, 30% of the price. More Palaska. I like this design a lot. I like a nice arc logo, like this Palace hoodie I'm wearing right now, or zip up, whatever. I love a nice arc logo. This one's even better because the letters are even bigger. Oh my god. Palace TGF hood in brown. Frogs are brighter than Sprogs. This thing's gonna definitely sell out and be pretty targeted. It's giving me huge Chrome Heart vibes, and I know a lot of you in chat, I'm pretty sure will think this is pretty cool too. It says the Great TGF. I don't know exactly what it says on the hood, but man, out of all these colors, maybe black and blue, some Venom. You wear these with the Venom Kith shoes. That would be cool. But the red one with the orange is also pretty tough. I don't know. Might have to pick that up. Baffled font hoodie. Not that great. Pretty mid design. Palace TGF hood zip. Man, they're loving the spiders, and ooh, we got some dragonflies on there. And if you guys were watching my stream, maybe last week when we covered Palace 2 weeks ago, we learned all about the difference between Supreme and Palace's hoodie construction, which was pretty cool. And we learned that both companies have pretty high quality factories. So all of this stuff is relatively well made. And I'm sure if you bought Palace before, you would know that, right? More Polartec. TGF joggers, man, the spider joggers actually go crazy. These could be the move over the upper stuff, just because I'm always kind of sleeping on sweatpants and pants in general. It'll depend on the price. These will be a little bit expensive for what they are, but the Great Frog, I think that's what that says. TGF, it's so small, I can't read it and I don't want to zoom in. Well, I bit the bullet and it is the Great Frog indeed. And there you go with a hyper zoomed in image of the shadow joggers next. I guess we can do the rest of this without the funny descriptions. You guys can read them yourselves, no spoilers. We'll do that right there so you can at least see the title. Here are the Sherpa faux suede joggers, the Belter pants, expensive trousers with a free belt, P90, no gun, but instead the college stress baggy jeans in Stonewash. Okay, Palace in the leg. I could go either way on it. I could see people saying it's dope. I could see people saying it's a little tacky. All right, getting into some jersey adjacent stuff. The Palace Mitt Mesh top in navy. Palace International big try for some dope piping. No number on the back, but some decent colors. Okay, I'd see this piece doing all right. Polartec patch up rugby. Now here is a good use of Polartec. Make it a interesting looking item. Give it a Palace touch. Obviously, this one is the best, being the patchwork version. I dig that. I wonder how it will sell given it is Polartec. The ombre flannel shirt. Ooh, looks like it's Sherpa lined on the inside. Appears to be. Two different colorways. Digi Camo. Guys, I recommend if you like war shows, you've seen Band of Brothers, check out Generation Kill on HBO. It's not new. It's from 2008, but the digital camo kind of reminded me of US invading Iraq because, hey, that's what we do, I guess. But good TV show, though. Generation Kill. The Woody zip shirt in black, 100% mini cheddars. You guys can finish the sentence yourself. No spoilers. All right, Parilla. This is probably the best piece drop in this season. I keep saying season, but you know what I mean. The Holiday 24. I think this one just has those hype vibes. Palace 24. Am I tripping or is that a little bit off center? I don't know, but this is really sick. I would definitely rock this thing for personal. Best colorway, I think, is this Neapolitan version, little burgundy trim, followed very shortly by the red one. Black is just too safe, but sometimes safe is good. But definitely will be going for this thing for the resale. Probably gonna end up being a bot because I just see that playing out like that, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Another great piece is the Bones Kawachan. This is super dope. I love the Palace kanji characters with the bones on the arms. Ooh, a tough as nails back with Palace and the skull and crossbones. That could be a cop for your boy too. It just depends on, once again, the goddamn mother flipping price. Half zip thermal track jacket with a little cool off piece. We can't be all bangers. It can't be all just insane shit all day. You gotta cool it off. Hey, Coach's jacket from Palace. Don't see a lot of those. You really don't. Palace is elite. Your mom's got green feet. Hey, Appalachian funnel fleece Palaska orange. Appalachian. Ooh, Bob Ross looking Sherpa. Very beautiful. You got the sunset and you got the sunrise maybe? I don't know. The blue and the orange tones, very cool, extremely gorgeous. I want to go to Alaska so bad. The Therma fleece jacket is next, and I can't tell you how many times I tried to say that and I stumbled over my words, but this is pretty dope. I actually like these the super tiny little balaclava hood things. They look so cozy and warm, and I like this boy in, I'm gonna say purple. Yeah. Sherpa faux suede funnel caked brown. Now, why would you make a faux suede, mate? It doesn't make any sense to me. But there it is. Kind of like a fighter pilot looking bomber jacket. I don't know. More powder jacket. Damn, I love the pattern on this thing. It looks insane with these cuts and colors. God damn, looks like something out of Cyberpunk 2077. Eventually would also want to get one of these, but at a certain point you got to start making cuts. And for me, rain jackets, I have some. I don't need any more. As of right now, I'm good. Floral canvas bomber jacket. I feel like other people would like this. I'm not huge on that embroidery pattern. It just doesn't look to be very special. It looks kind of boring to me. I don't know. Wish they were doing more with it. Maybe the colors are too simplistic, but I could see people digging this. I could go. Got it. Sport mitt puffa. I mean, we're getting to the end of puffa season, but we're still dropping them. There you go. If you haven't got one yet, you got to get it now because this is probably the last puffer Palace will ever release. So you got to buy it. Gore-Tex Infinitum jacket in stone. Palace takes your wallet to infinitum and beyond. Yeah, that's for sure. Gore-Tex Windstopper bonded jacket. We are on the final 4 items, guys. What has been your favorite so far? Be sure to comment down below and how you like these videos. I just like going down through all the items and talking about them. I probably talked too much at the beginning, but there it is. We got the Gore-Tex cargo down parka, real tree apex and black. You know, ghosts are all Victorian. How long is it going to be till you wake up and there's a geezer with an icon hat and a tech fleece at the end of the bed? Now, Hypebeast ghost. That scary sight. Palace TGF leather jacket. Wow. Bangin'. Yeah, this is cool. I love all this artwork with the sword, spider, skulls, peas. Definitely the coolest stuff, in my opinion, from the collection. And last but not least, reversible Yeti parka. This thing is pretty dope. That looks so warm. Looks like something Kanye would have made. It's reversible. Probably going to be one of those higher tier items, but certainly one to go after. But there it is, the Palace Holiday 2024 range in its entirety. Some pretty solid items to close out 2024. Kind of light in terms of the hats, but we got the peeling beanie, the equestrian stuff. We got some cool accessories down there. I am definitely not complaining in terms of the outerwear garments. I love all of these TGF items with the skulls and the spiders. We got the Appalachian fleece, the Bones Kawachan, and the Parilla, I believe. Sport Villa takes the cake as probably the best item to look forward to this upcoming collection for the rest of the season. But that's just my opinion. Probably gonna be the most affordable of the hyped items. Of course, you could go leather jacket, reversible Yeti parka. But what do you guys think of Palace Holiday 24? Gonna do it for today. And your boy Thomas, and I'm out. Peace.